Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can join Google Classroom and sign into your account on Google Classroom, for example on desktop computer or laptop. It is very simple guys, so let us get started. Head over to Google, for instance, via Chrome web browser, and here in the search type in Google Classroom and select the first search entry you see below, Classroom Management Tools and Resources. That is going to redirect you to this page of Google for Education. So if you would like to sign in, for example, as a teacher or student, all you will need to do, guys, to join your class or to create a class is here on Google Classroom is to click on sign in the top right corner and select Google Classroom from that drop-down menu. And that is going to redirect you to your Classroom account, provided of course you're logged in with your Google account, because that's the only requirement here, guys. You will need to be logged in with your Google/Gmail account, so make sure that's the case. And after that you'll be redirected to your Google Classroom home section. So here to the right you will see a list of all classes you have joined or created so far. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.